Hi, I'm Penny, a National Exercise Referral Scheme instructor at Active Sport and Leisure. Ners, funded by Public Health Wales, offers tailored exercise for those 16 years and over who are inactive and dealing with long-term health conditions. GPs or health professionals can refer individuals for assessment, where we review health history, perform basic health checks and recommend suitable exercises and classes. The programme operates in our leisure centres and community venues, providing weekly gym and circuit sessions that not only enhance physical health but also combat isolation and loneliness through social interaction.
The Ners sessions have benefited me in several ways. I can do things that I couldn't do before, and I'm feeling better in myself as a result. The instructors are fabulous. I've got all the time in the world for them. They're very keen, they're very friendly.
For many, Ners is just the start of their health journey. At 16 weeks, we discuss progress and ongoing support options. Many participants remain active with us even a decade after their initial assessment.